What is up, MTC fam? It is your boy, Adam here. Unfortunately, Claire will not be joining me on this expedition, but as always, she is with me in spirit. Guys, I have something super exciting. I've been packing like a fiend because I have a flight in like 2 hours. I probably shouldn't even be making this video, but here we are. And I just found out about my flight 5 minutes ago. I'm heading off to the sunny St. Thomas to go scuba diving with my family. Beyond stoked because the cold, overcast weather in New York is just not doing it for me. So I want to head off and chase the sun, and St. Thomas is where it's going to land. I have a flight from LaGuardia to Atlanta, spending the night in Atlanta and then taking a flight tomorrow morning early to go meet my family. I actually think my parents are on the same flight as me, but that I'm not too sure of. But regardless, meeting everybody in St. Thomas. Real quick, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, become part of the MTC fam. We love you guys and we want this family to grow, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video and our other videos, make sure to like this video and share it. This video is going to be filmed on the GoPro Hero 8 Black. That's how we're going to get our nice footage underwater as we're scuba diving, and I'm going to use it as a vlog slash shotgun run and gun kind of filming style. So if you like this footage, make sure to check out the GoPro Hero 8 Black. This is not a sponsored video, but I want to give credit where credit is due. This is an awesome piece of technology, both above water and below, and the stabilization is absolutely ridiculously stupid awesome. So make sure to check out the GoPro Hero 8 Black if you like this video and you like the style of shooting. So without further ado, let's go find some magic. All right, the first step of the journey is finding my Uber. Should be coming. Oh, don't pass me. No. And he passed me. Yeah. Dang, he passed me. All right. Well, that's a good start. Stop driving. How you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good.
Good. All right, guys, we made it. Yes. All right. We are here with time to spare. That's what I like. So we're gonna settle in for this short flight. Gotta love a middle seat. All right, guys, just touched down here in Atlanta. I'm waiting for my shuttle to my hotel. Here's the thing, change of plans. We are no longer heading to St. Thomas. There was an issue with flights or something like that. So now we are heading to Turks and Caicos. Thank God I brought my passport. Still super exciting, gonna get some great diving in there. But for now, heading to the hotel. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the 14-star Holiday Express Inn. They upgraded me to the luxury suite. Here we go. First thing you do when you get into a hotel room, other than turn on the lights, that's gotta change. You gotta change it. All right, ladies and gents, it is time for me to call it a night. I got some work to do early morning at around 7 o'clock, so I want to be well rested for that. And then off to the airport, meet my parents, and then flying off to Turks and Caicos. But for now, it's bedtime. Good morning, MTC fam. It's a crisp morning here in Atlanta. Got some work done early this morning and now off to the airport. Just checked out of my beautiful luxury suite here at the 22-star Holiday Express, and my car is arriving soon. My limousine, if you will. Gonna head to the airport, hopefully no issues there, and meet the old parentals. Very excited for this trip. All right. Mama? Papa? They said they're at a coffee shop. They said walk straight ahead and I will see them. Papa? Mama? Okay, they absolutely lied to me. Hey, I'm here. E32, okay. Well, that worked out swimmingly. Mama!
Hi!
Good to see you. We're here.
Here we are! Yay! We made it!
Yes. Good morning, Papa. It's him in the flesh. We out here in Turks and Caicos saying hello. Hello. Alright. Time to go through customs. We'll see if this one gets past them. Let me introduce you guys to the Northwest Point Resort here in Turks and Caicos. We just arrived. Let me tell you, this is in the middle of nowhere. We drove on a dirt road for like 9 miles, so there's nothing around here, but it is a really beautiful resort. I'm very excited to stay here. Guys, we are settling into our resort here. Real quick, when you are coming into Turks and Caicos, obviously you're going to have to go through customs. You're going to have to fill out a couple different forms, and the lines are long. So if you have plans coming in that day, push your plans back because customs is going to take 45 minutes. We were there for probably an hour. It's a really, really long line, especially when a bunch of flights are coming in all at once. So just be prepared when you are flying in. But we are now here. We're getting all the situations situated with Wi-Fi and all that. And we're gonna go find some food and explore the island. So. We have just arrived to the beach near the 7 Stars Resort. If you are planning on coming here, definitely rent a car or a scooter because it is a larger island than what you could actually think. You definitely need some sort of transportation to get you from here and there. Also, you need to know to drive on the left side of the road. So rent a car, know how to drive on the left side of the road. Lobster pizza. What is that?
Wings.
Wings?
Yeah.
Okay, wings.
There's some dip.
Some spring rolls. Oh yeah. Look at those. Gracias. Just finished with our afternoon snack, a pretty expensive snack here at the 7 Stars Resort. So if you're coming here, just know the prices they're up there. So for the pizza, the wings, the egg rolls, and a couple drinks is above $100. So just know that. Now we're just walking, enjoying this beautiful, beautiful beach. We have been enjoying the beach so far. The water, before the sunset, the water is so crystal clear. It's pretty ridiculous. I'm so excited to scuba dive tomorrow. We are now going to grab some food for dinner. So the other meal was our appetizer. So now we are heading to dinner. I mean, I'm having a great time so far. Wow. Guys, how was dinner?
Delicious.
Dinner was good?
Yeah.
Highly recommend.
All right, and we found out that Dad can dance. He's got the moves. All right. It's all in the ankle.
$2,000 a ballroom dancing.
All right, guys, we are back here at our resort. Had a wonderful start to our trip. Got some great food, had some great conversation and laughs. I just love spending time with my family. But tomorrow, bright and early, we go diving. I think we're starting at 8 o'clock. So gotta rest up and get ready for tomorrow's big adventure. But for now, yeah, it's just bedtime. So good night, guys. Good morning, guys. We are here. We got Dan. We are here on the boat heading out to the dive site. It's going to be about an hour drive out. Already the water is absolutely beautiful. So, as I said, we're going to drive out for about an hour, and then we are doing our first tank dive. They said it's a max depth of what, like 100 feet. And they didn't say, they said there's a wall, and then it drops off. So hopefully we see some really cool wildlife, but it's a beautiful day here. So very excited. We are back on the surface. Just had a wonderful dive, saw a couple sharks, a stingray, a turtle, an eel, of course a bunch of fish. That was a pretty rowdy drop off. So now we are just doing our surface time and then on to our second dive. Hattie.
It was a little overcast, so that was nice, you know. Was it, did you still were able to see it anymore with the overcast?
Yummy. We are back here at the resort. I got myself a fish sandwich, hanging out with the parentals. About to chow down with that. All dressed up, Teddy. Lobster pasta. Get that out of here, Mike. Get that out of here. Alright guys, that is it for me here in Turks and Caicos. Had an amazing time diving, had an amazing time just on the island. So if you want to come to Turks and Caicos but are on the fence, I highly recommend it. If you are a scuba diver, snorkeler, or just love the beach, or windsurfer, or kiteboarder, I highly recommend coming here. It is such a beautiful place. A couple things before I go. We are no longer going to Tokyo due to the virus that's been spreading. We are going to divert that trip and we are heading to Paris and possibly Portugal. I think that's the second destination that we're going to. We'll keep you updated on that. If you like this video, make sure to give it the big thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel. We love you guys. We want this family to grow. So that's it for Turks and Caicos. Let's go find some magic somewhere else.